Good morning, everybody. ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. We got so much action. It's absolutely crazy. I'm going to turn my there we go. Make sure my mic is on over here. All right. Live, guys. What a morning already. OMG. Boom. You ain't going to believe it. You are not going to believe it. MG. Dude, this is the sickest shit you ever seen this morning. Really. I haven't seen one like this in quite some time. BNOX, BNOX. I picked it in the Mojo room at $1.50. So what would you have bought? 100 shares? 1,000 shares? 10,000 shares? It was $1.50 trade. 10,000 shares. Right? Dude, it went to $750. $60,000 profit, $6,000 profit, or $600 profit. Yes, sir. Check it out. Let's fly on over to the Mojo room. You ain't going to believe it, dude. You ain't going to believe it. Look at this. So come in here this morning and got some nice music playing in the background. That's beautiful. My guy, ProTrader Millionaire, really hooked up like that. So I'm watching right here for the 2074 move to go through 21. How's my play like last night? Right, like that. Marking my levels. It's all about the levels. Did you know trading SQQQ as a correlation inverse to the NASDAQ, which I do? Did you know, and I'll explain it to you guys for all you guys are listening, that SQQ is right now, I'll show it to you, it's at 2114. The same thing at 2114 happened at 2014 in that 10 to 20 cent range. 2010 to 2020, 2020 down to 2010 where it is now. The same move happened at 1915 and 1815. I tracked it from 50, 15 to 49 to 48 to 47 to 46 to 45 to 44, all the way down to 18, back to 21. And every dollar it does the same exact thing. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. The same pattern happens over and over again. I have to lower the mic. Mic setting. There's no, where's the setting for that? All right, we'll probably hear some trades go off in the alpha chat room. The bot was just up $2,000, $2,600, $900 on the SPY, and just went short NQ. And NQ short 1,800. I'll post the video later. I got it on. I just made a video of it. It's unbelievable. Dude, SQQ is all over the place. It just went it's all over the place. It just came from 10 again back to 20. Look at that. I just did a trade off that. Holy mama. Dude, this thing dropped down here. I got it at 2084. I sold it right here into this bar at 91. Like it's going to go back down. I just got to I didn't have that many. I only had the little micros. And then look what it did, dude. It went all the way to 21.23. Shit's all over the place. Look at those bars. This bar is 30 cents. This bar, 20 cents. 20 cents. And like almost 20 cents a bar, dude. 20. Oh, that's a 5-minute bar. How about the 2-minute bars? A dime. All the 2-minute bars are a dime. It's a lot of movement, man. A lot of cashing and grabbing. Already up on the day, not much. Just started out small. Just got about 110, 100 across the board right there. Get that baby up to like 500, and we'll switch to the next. That's what we're going to do. Copy trading right now. And yeah, let me show you the BNOX. Fucking unreal. So I'm sharing my screen in the MOJO room right now. So here, right here, BNOX this morning at 7:28 a.m. What were you doing? I bought it right there at $1.50 average cost. I already sold some at $3.32, which was 100% gain. With 400 shares left, made $1,500. Then it went to 150% winner. There was my pick there. Mom and Dad, I know it may be difficult for you to understand, but I learned to stock trade from MOJO day trading videos. Right, Faye? Right, all my people? Learn how to trade from the MOJO videos? Yes, sir. My comics are awesome. My comics are awesome. Give me a like and a thumbs up on the video, please, if you wouldn't mind. Yes, sir. And let's check out this trade. Now, if you were in this, it went 387, right over 4. So here's my buys, 150, 150, 150 right there. It confirmed up, bought 2,000, another 2,000. Then I sold over 2, 350, 390, 432, and 449. And I got 1 share left. It went to 4, 6, 650, 760. That was it, 760, dude. Crazy move. And I saved 1 share. It's at 664. Done. All gone. How cool is that, dude? Look at that. How cool is that? Yes, sir. This is the DOS Trader Pro platform. So if you go right here to my website at mojodaytrading.com, microphone bullshit. I'm going to kick its ass. I got to put in some Audacity over here and download it. Audacity is a program, AUD, will control the mic on your computer. I need that for this stupid laptop. Audacity. Right here. Download Audacity for Windows. Just downloading this program called Audacity. So come to my website and go to Tools. And you have right here the ProTrader Pro for a 14-day sign up on a real-time simulator for the NASDAQ exchange. So you can watch that SQQQ in real time. Bookmap also. Check out their website and view what they do for the Bookmap, dude. Really nice. Check out the futures funding pages with all the deals on the futures. Check out my courses right here. Stock course, futures course, and coaching right there. Check it all out. My newsletter is unbelievable. Moneymaker Daily Newsletter. Sign up right there. Just put your name in. It's free. If you want the MOJO newsletter with all the Ken Slim picks, they're all right there. How it works, the picks, the newsletter, 10 years of results right there. The chat room right here. MOJO Discord. Come on in. 883 members. Let's go. Testimonials, thousands of them right there, proven testimonials right there on what the pro traders have to say. This guy's made $1 million on the Heinz trade play. He's now made $100 million. Lobster right there in the military, Ant in the Netherlands, Gomez, right, Gerardo in Miami, Allen, all these guys, dude. Check them out. Stock's at 7 on that now. BNOX. $7 on BNOX now. Crazy. Yeah, BNOX was crazy. Great pick. I picked it right there to go through $1.50 this morning. So let me show you what it did. So let's go back to the 5-minute chart. So you could see down here this morning, I got it right here. Because I wanted it to, but what the fuck's with this line? Remove that line. Can you like draw on this chart? I'll show you what I did. Let me show you the magic. BNOX. So this morning, right here, it came across the high-low list right here. And I saw it. And I'm like, if it breaks this right here, it's going to go higher, which was $1.50. So I got it right there for the break of $1.50, and it made a beautiful run. So I sold a little bit right there. See that? And into this bar right there, because, you know, in the pre-market, you got to sell. So, you know, probably a half to 3/4 of the position was gone right there. It made like a nice amount of change, $2,000, right? Then I took my eye off. It should have probably bought more, but I was getting ready for the show right here. Then it went through 250. Then it Heinz 3. Look at the $4 bar is the biggest bar, Heinzing 4. The biggest bar right here of the day so far was a Heinz of 2. See that? The $3 bar right there, huge. Look at the $5 bar right there, humongous on the $5 bar. Look at the $6 and the $7 bar right there. So all the biggest bars are through the even numbers. Everything happens on SQQQ the same at 2106, at 2006. It's going to head down under 2105 and probably go test that nick down towards 21 again, which is this VWAP line, 2094. I could see it really coming easily into that line right there. It just was up at 2123. Fell down to stopping station 2107. Why do I call it stopping station? Someone asked me last night. Because I recorded every single time that I lost in a trade and I journaled it. And then I looked at the journaling notes to see what price I lost at. And over 80% of the time, I lost in the same nickel range. And here they are. Let's say you buy up at 21. Let's say it's 20. It goes under 21. People are buying here. The stopping station is 2077 to 82. Medium to slow. If it's fast, it's 72 to 77. Expect 68. You'll know what that means if you took the course. If it doesn't hold there and the people that buy there, it will go lower and you'll get stopped out at 51 to 55. There's a 60% chance it's going to go lower, 40% chance it may bounce off the 51 to 55. You'll get stopped out there. 40% chance it's going to bounce right back up. Dime, 20 cents, whatever. If it fails, the 60% chance it does and goes lower, it's going to go to 27 to 32, 20, 37 to 30, 20, 27 to 32. Slow to medium. You'll know what that means. Take the course. If it's fast, it's going to go 22 to 27, expect 18. Failure on that is the next stopping station in the ladder, which is 07 to 12. Slow to medium. Expect fast is 02 to 07 with an 80% chance, 70% chance it's going to crest 20 and go lower to the next stopping station, 1977 to 82. 72 to 77, expect 68. If not, 51 to 55. If not, 27 to 32. Expect 22 to 27. Expect the 18. If not, 07 to 12. Fast, 02 to 07. Done. Bounce 98 right back through. Same thing happens in the 21s. That'll happen in the 22s. That will happen in the 23s. That'll happen in the 18s, and it already did. So you don't really have to know chart patterns if you know what's going to happen with the price before it makes the move, based on historical patterns and algorithmic computer technology that runs in the market. Markets run on computers. Hits a number, computers go in and hits buying, buying, buying. Hits a number, computers are selling, selling, selling. I've been standing in front of it a long enough time to know what the computers are doing, not what you're doing with the charts. I recommend going to ICT Concepts. Is a huge group with hundreds of thousands of traders that join every day online and discuss the charts and these crazy Fibonacci's and moving averages and SMAs and all that. Go ahead, right ahead. It is the most See, what happens is they lure you in with these charts and all these technicals and these plethora of things you have to study, and it takes a while, because my students are like, dude, when am I going to be able to trade? I'm like, tomorrow. They're like, no way. What are you talking about? Most people, they'll keep you in for a month to 2 months. Timothy Sykes, you can't trade for 3 months. It takes so much education to learn these chart patterns, because you have to, in the plane, there's a million controls. To fly the plane, you only need 2. You don't need to learn all 1,000 of them. They make you learn all 1,000. So by the time you've learned every button, by the time you've done all this, you've spent thousands of dollars, maybe hundreds of dollars, but your time doing it easily equates to thousands of dollars, because time is value. And then it doesn't work, and you lose money. And you're like, holy shit. And you go look for the next person that does the same thing. You learn his little indicator and chart pattern. Same pattern of craziness. It doesn't work. You've just wasted more money and time. Now you're an A personality. You ain't giving up. Now you're so fucking frustrated. You have to make it work. And you find the mojo. And I don't trade off the charts. I trade off the even number roll through. That at 2098, I'll guarantee. You don't guarantee much in this world, but I'll guarantee a bet. At 2098, where it was this morning, 29 going through 21 right there. If it doesn't go through 21, I'll give you 10x on any bet that you want. You want to bet $10? You pay me 10 if it doesn't go through. Okay? I'll pay you 100 for the 10. So it doesn't work, you got $100. It works, you pay me 10. You know how many times I'd collect $10? It'll go through at 2098 to 21 every time. 2198 through 22 every time. 2298 through 23 every time. I'll take that bet. And what's so beautiful is when I have the shitting pocket aces and it flops me the goddamn nuts. You guys know what I'm talking about. You'll join my service. And I bet all in. Everyone's going to fold. Everybody at the table is going to fold. And I'm not going to win that much because they didn't take my bet. But at 2098, I'm all in. Short the NASDAQ on SQQQ going through that even number. The market will take my bet every single time. As much as I want to bet. And with positive expectancy, it's a rig. I've rigged the market with a glitch that I could literally steal thousands of dollars every time SQQ lines up under the even number or the half dollar. Try it. Watch it at 2148 go through 2150 if it gets there today. Biggest move ever. At 2148, push all in, go right through 50. At 2048, it went through 2050 and made the U just move. Look. Right back here, these big bars, I bet at 2050 right here. Look. Right, yep, see it? Look, the biggest bars right through there, 2050, 2080, and here, 2113. Right here, look. So let me go actually to my new layout. So SQQ, let's scroll back a little bit right here. This bar right here is the move right through that 2050 to 2080 up through 21. Did it again right here, and right here. It dropped through it too. Let's go back into this range is 2050. It went all the way to 2099. Scroll back. Let's go to 1950 here. Nope. That's as far back as it goes. Here you go. Here's 17 right here. So here's 1740, 1750 to 1812. Here it went 1850 to 1970. Here it went 1950 to 2108. Does the same thing at every number over and over. So guys, if you come into any Discord and you spread negativity and FUD, you get banned and blocked. People don't want to hear your problems. They're your problems. Deal with them. Don't spread them on others to make yourself feel better because you typed it in the Discord chat and you spreaded shit against the company or the firm because that you think that they screwed you, but they didn't. You screwed yourself. You didn't put the payout request in at time. You canceled your subscription when you shouldn't have. Your credit card didn't go through when it should have. You canceled your market data and you fucked up. Dude, I had 50 accounts. So I limited it down and I canceled 30 of them so I can only have 20. And they were all in a row of 250. I'm like, cancel. Then I got a phone call. I'm like, hey, and I went back. I went cancel. And I'm like at 10, 20. And then I'm like, all right, do an email came in. I worked on the email and then I went back. I'm like, cancel. And I finished up canceling them. And one of them in the string was a market data fee on a PA account that I was already up over $5,000 on. And I said, oh my gosh, please reinstate the account. What an error that I did. Oh my God, I can't believe it. And then, sorry, your mistake. And I'm going to report you. I'm reporting you. You're a scam. You fucking bullshit. No, it was my mistake. My bullshit. But if I'm disgruntled with nothing, I'll go and I'll spread FUD all over the goddamn place. And I don't like that at all. Let's see here. I'm starting Audacity. Here we go, baby. All right, Audacity, what do you got? Start monitoring. There we go. I can move it down a little bit. My recording level. Now I'm working really good on the Alphabot room. Back to 2120. 10 minutes to the open. So yeah, guys, I hope you understand a little bit more about trading and how it works. And if I go on later, I'll be like, look, this is how like PW and some of the other people do it. Watch. So you're going to see them in a video like this. They're going to be on the screen and they're going to be like this. Watch. They're going to be like, look, dude, see right here? And they're going to take a line. Just move my thing. So they're going to go like this. And they're going to be like, boom. You see, I traded it right. As soon as it broke through there, it came down on my VWAP right below the VWAP right there below. And then it came up. You see that candle right here with this little double fulfillment extension on volume accreditation and an F2 pattern. As soon as it broke there, I add, boom, that thing went through right there. I made $1,500. That's how I traded it. You did? Okay. Why didn't you show it? Yeah, you traded it from exactly like that. You made 1,500, but you lost on this bar, this bar, this bar. You stopped out and blew your account. So you reset the account. By the time you reset it, it was down here. So you went back in the trade. You looked like a hero, and then you made $1,500. Congratulations. So anybody that's going to show you that, that's what really happened, precursor to that trade. If you don't believe me, too bad. So a guy in the chat room, he's asking me my payout. And I said, look, he's like, did you request a payout? And I said, look, my business is not yours. First of all, I banned him and let him come back in because he spread FUD in the server. So he's back. And he says to me this morning, did you request a payout? And I said, my business is not yours. So I would not bother asking me personal questions about my business. If I want to share, I will. This negative bullshit must stop. I will ban you again and block you, so I don't need this crap. If you bother me about the firm's credibility again, I'm done with you. And he says, geez, man. Instead of just like, okay, you know, it's like LOL. Really? So you're a dick. Dude, the day you come to me and say, Mike, I'm going to pay all your bills. Be like, dude, done. How much? What do you want to know, dude? How much I got paid out? You want to know my daughter's middle name? What else you want to know, man? Come pay all my bills. Until then, shut the fuck up and don't ask me shit. I'll show you how to trade. That's about it. That's about it. Because you know why? I'll befriend you. We'll set up a coaching appointment and you won't show. Isn't that unbelievable? I set 10 coaching appointments. Half the people, more than half, don't show. And they set the appointments. 2020 back on SQQQ, did it really fly up that much? Yeah, look at that. All right, what do we got? 925, almost close to the open. We got a break at 2121. And it's like it's going to fly, man. This shit's going to fly, dude. Without me, I'm not going to chase. It's got to make a move to like, and then come back down here or go to 21 again, and I'll trade it back up here. I will not go in here. It's like the middle of the teeter-totter. It's got to tilt one way or the other, and I'm not going in the middle. Because if you're wrong, then you have to make back the loss and be right 2 more times or 3 more times because you lost on the first teeter-totter. Wait for it to make a move, then react. You could short it right now. It's going to go a little hot, but I ain't doing that. Not MOJO. That's not the trade right now. Oh, these people. I'm putting on the disc right here in the YouTube. Right here. Navigating the journey, become a trader. Daunting, dudes. Navigating the trading journey can be a challenging undertaking, and it can be a daunting to try to do it on your own. I'm offering a complimentary one-on-one coaching call to help you reach your trading goals. Reserve your spot by booking an appointment on my calendar right there. On my YouTube, guys. Wait till I post those later with the bot, man. The bot freaking kicking ass with the $2,000 trades today. All right, 928. Here we go. Stop the little music in the background right there because it's crappy music. We got to change it to like 90s or 80s greatest hits always. 70s, 80s, or 90s greatest hits. Look at the size at 21. Guy's getting a nice rebate right there. See that? Rebate trading. Up 1.2%. Mar, you missed the fucking B-Knox this morning, dude. See it? See my B-Knox trade, brother? From $1.50 to $7, dude. You missed a look. Look up, dude. Scroll up. I picked it at $1.50 mini. Look, I picked it at $1.50 mini at 7:30 to go through $1.50. It came by the high-low list. It went to 7, dude. You would add 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 shares. You missed 100 grand. My guy did in the room. He missed 100 because he wasn't in earlier enough today. Whoops, wrong screen. Yeah. You saw it? Yeah. It was big, dude. It was big. All right, the market's opening, guys. 18 seconds. Who's ringing the opening bell today? Who's ringing the opening bell? And the soundboard? Somebody. Let's go. Or it's going to be me. Nobody? Here it is. It's me. There it is. There's the opening bell. All right. We went lower to 17. Back up to 20. Let's let it make a move. There's a signal at 22 right there. It's going through 22. Look at it. There it is, 21. Signal at 22. There it is. Big size right there. Went through. Told you. Told you. Told you. Reading the level 2. Yes, sir. New high. New high. 27. Yes, sir. That's how we do it in the MOJO room. I told you. It was told you it was going to go through, and SQQQ was going higher. So now the high is 28. I want it to go to 8. 2108 range. 2108 range. Order canceled, dude, over there. Gotta make this a little bit louder. There you go. Now we'll be able to hear that. Oh, make this lower since I made that higher. There we go. Alrighty. That seems to be good. Seems to be good. Test, test. Yes, sir. All right. So it came down. SPY's going green right here. I'm long SPY right here. Long SPY on my other screen up 50 bucks. Selling 100 every 50, selling another 100 every 50. 46, 49. 50, 50. Let's go. There's 50 again. How many left? 200 left. Gets up 50. I sell another one. It goes red, I rebuy back what I sold. I don't have to look at the chart. There we go. Rebuy back what I sold. Just like that. Just like that. Now let me head back over here. What do we got? 28? Damn. 30. NQ short. This is really annoying me. Stay on 35 recording level. It freaking moved. All right, Dow's up 24. Ooh, I'm up 100 and change. 102. Sell 1, sell 2, sell 3. Got 200 left, up 50. That was a beautiful trade, up 60, selling another one. Great trading on SPY. This shelf shit fell from 31 down to 19. I told you I was waiting for the drop. SPY, I got 100 left, up 23. Let it come back down into this range. I'll buy it again. It went up again. My recording level, I gotta lock it. Am I able to lock it? It won't like let me lock it. Gotta lock it at that level. Oh yeah, look at this trade. I got 100 left. That's beautiful, up 60 bucks. I'm out. That's a great fucking trade. Look at that one, guys. See, I told you I wanted to wait for it to come down to 2108. Right? Told you. And the SPY long. Told you. Before. I didn't have to show you thousands of dollars of profit. If you think I do, this is not the right channel for you. The right channel for you is the people that listen to my call and my pick and my analysis and did it and made money. Not so I can make a video later and show you I'm an armchair quarterback after the fact. Told you SPY was going green, and it did. And I made the biggest trade. That's how you do it. Let it come back down again. Do it again. Here's the chart on it. It's trying to come back down a little bit. Probably half of this bar at about 425, 75 stopping station. Look, it went up again. My mic level is it keeps on rising like there's a ghost. A ghost in the house. Because every time I look over it, goes from decibel 30 to decibel 80. See, it came down. I'm going to buy now. Buy now. See that? Just bought halfway down that bar again. I like that. Oh, Mike's looking at a chart. I'm just buying the dip. How many I got? 300, 400, 500. All right, let's go back over here. 25, 26. Yep, it went back up again, you son of a bitch. There's got to be a way you can lock that. Fucker. 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 Went 1 penny, fucked me at 31. That 31 fucked me, man. Would have wrote it down to 23. Motherfucker. Pissed. I would have fucking had one lot left. 1 penny. 1 penny fucked me. Look at it, it's 18. What the fuck? 1 penny. Mike, you're done. You're banned from my room, dude. Let me get this guy out of here. Big. Just got to ban this one member. Blocked. Blocked. All right, let me fucking ban this fucking dickhead. Let me find your ass. You ain't hiding nowhere. There he is. Boom. Ban. Boom. Delete message history for the last 7 days. Done. Goodbye. Haha. Done. Now I'm going to block your ass here so you can't even message me on the other server either. Block. Block. Done. I don't got to deal with this shit. It's back to 28. That's a good one. Buying some SPY here. For the green move again, guys, on the SPY. Doing the SPY again. And this thing's going NQ long. SPY correlates with ES, yes. It doesn't. ES and SPY and SQQ and NQ. All right, I'm up 70 bucks, 100 bucks on this trade. I was down like 60, so I'm just selling 100, 200, 300, holding. Look at that bar. Beautiful. Oh, the magic fucking guy's back. Yep, it put it all the way back up. Can you believe that? My recording level jumps. It's crazy. Cranking it on the SPY today, making hundreds of dollars on a tiny account. I can only buy 500 shares maximum. That's it on that account. Fuck, I had that shit down. But yeah, it was a good one, but whatever. I got to start taking a couple more micros. Fuck. My machine's fucking locked. I don't know what the fuck's going on. My fucking copy trader just fucking fucked me up. I don't know what the fuck just happened. Getting a lot of error messages, canceling. I'm gonna shut off my Ninja and I'll reopen it back up. Yeah, I'm talking about trades on the SPY as well. SQQQ and the NASDAQ, SPY and the other. All right, getting set back up, logging back in. Came down to 8. Just changing my setting here. Told you, came down to 7. It's a good long. See if it bounces here. 02 by 7. It's back. The ghost. Got to do market orders. But I was clicking the button a little quickly before. told you it was going to come on down. That's what I was waiting for. It's too fast. Gotta get on the right side of it though. Like that. Man, it's fucking fast. SPY just went through 427. Doing good trading the SPY. Look at my SPY trades. Oh, the ghost is back. Yep. Right here. Look how SPY went all over from down here all the way up to up here. Just sold a couple. Look at that. Nice one on the SPY today. Whew, big rise back up on that. You don't fool me though. Man. $427.25 is the high on SPY. $20.82 is the low down there. See if it cracks that. NQ long. You guys, while you're watching and we're waiting for that. Want you guys check out this complete guide to S&P mini futures contracts right there. The ghost is back. Yeah, take your phone out right there and point it on that QR code right there like that, and download that free PDF on a complete guide to understanding futures. And I got another one for you right after that. Order cancel. As soon as it went fucking short, it said order canceled, you piece of fucking shit. How long? definitely check that out, guys. That futures trading webinar for beginners shows you everything, how to get started with my systems with SQQQ and the NASDAQ and everything. Take your phone out and put it on that shit. Register up. That's about it for today on the show. Decent day of trading. Continue the rest of the day. If you want to step on into the chat room, get up for a subscription and let's go. Start trading with me every day. I think you'll be completely satisfied. Yes, sir.